Good morning. It's day 8. Stepped out of the trailer house to see that we are still dealing with smoke from the Canadian wildfires and out west, and it's already starting to crank on the heat. I think a high today was 100 plus, so I feel bad for our truckers. I hope they don't get completely wore out before the day is over. And today is also my grandson Ben's 9th birthday, so happy birthday, Ben. We got to talk to you for a little bit before we headed down to the shed, and I hope you have a really fun day today. Love you and miss you. Okay, number 3.
Go ahead, Tracy. I'm bringing up the rear.
Okay. Got the hootenanny in the field. Shields are up and guys are walking around Jim's combine. Hopefully it's not because there's smell of smoke. I'm gonna guess that isn't the case, because if it was, I'm sure the hootenanny wouldn't have left the field. So we must have some issues going on. What do you have to do?
Change the feed accelerator.
Hey, there's a trophy. All right. At least it does its job. I had
100% on your spreader. Nice.
I was way off. Nothing wrong with combines. No smell of smoke. We are changing crop from winter wheat to field peas. Man, the wind is blowing like crazy today.
Just wait on the road for you.
You can wait at that intersection, Katie, if you want. Into that first switchback, whatever you want to do. If you want to go wait in the yard. No, I'd wait for us to get into the field. So then, Any other settings that you want on these peas, Birdie? Yeah, I'm turning my rotor to 450,000 on the fan, 1611 chapter 2. Tracy and Jim. Jim, you just have to make the call once you get in here on a straight run. Tracy, you can follow them right away down this edge so we can get them set. If you have to, open them up a little bit more so we don't crack a bunch of these. Turn up your fan to 1050, please.
Okay. Do you remember your concave or rotor the other day on Tracy's?
Yeah, start out at like 400, Jim, and see how that does with you. And that fan can be set at 1050 as well. They're real down fevers, they just don't beat the hell out of them. They're pretty dry.
Okay, you said 450 on the rotor?
Yeah.
Field peas. I shouldn't have to worry about rocks because the field has been rolled. You got to cut as close to the ground as you can. I'm not sure what we're doing, but we're stopped for now.
Okay. We'll do it tomorrow morning or whatever when we service jet. It's not a big deal. I'm not going to do it at 100 bucks. Alright, we'll do that.
Well, there you have it. We're up against green wheat, green peas, and the rest of the day is out of the machinery.
After jet goes by, guys, we're going to take them to the yard. I got to reassess the situation, but I think we're out 2 days at least. We're in the green wheat. Didn't want to hear that, Jimmy? Jimmy's excited for the weekend.
Headed back to the farm now.
across the window, I think.
Yeah, it's a tough call.
We already had one hot gal this morning. We don't need two.
Day nine of this Highwood, Montana wheat harvest. And I finished the video off yesterday saying that we would have some time off due to running into some green wheat. My thought this morning was I have all these things that I'm going to try to get done today knowing that I had the day off, including laundry and some paperwork, blah, blah, blah. But was given about a 15-minute notice that plans had changed. So the laundry got stopped and the computer got shut off. And instead I put my combine hat back on again. And here we are. We've moved from where the combines were sitting in the yard last night, to a place that's, it's quite a bit of ways over here. I don't know mile-wise, but we had to go across the creek and up and deep through Shepherd's Crossing, and I'll try to get some video of that on our way out of here so that you can see what it is that it takes to get over to this particular area. This area that we're at now is very close to the Missouri River, and I'll pan over to show you what it is that the field will be working towards. We'll be working towards the west, which puts us closer to the river, closer to the Missouri breaks. This happens to be a field that I've been on one other time, but my combine happened to break down, and so I didn't get to cut very much of it. But it was also one that was very cool because there were a couple of planes from the base in Great Falls that came through the breaks and went right between the two cliffs, like what you would have seen on Top Gun. It was so cool. But I was in awe watching it that I didn't even get it on video, which is unfortunate. I am waiting for a green cart to show up so that I can dump and get rolling again. It's just me and Jim here in the field today. And I was told that we will work until it gets to be really hot, because at 105 degrees with wind, it's not a good idea to be in the machine anyways. So right now everything is calm, and it's probably, I don't know, maybe 85, 90. I don't know what it is for sure right now. Just like the good old days, only we never had two combines. So let's see what the day brings. So as I said, Jim and I are cutting this ourselves, and he's got a flex head. I do not, mine is rigid. So he's cutting those ditches out. As you can see, there's down wheat. His combine does a whole lot better job of getting that picked up and going through those ravines. I try, but it just doesn't look as nice. So I'm gonna stay up here on top and cut this. What a guy. Connor jumps out of his tractor and goes down to help Jim. That doesn't look good. No.
But beautiful.
I'll have to think about it a while.
These last year.
Oh, I forgot about that, Connor. I guess I was thinking when we still had our own combine. I'll see if he comes up with that.
Tested him.
I drove Rod's combine.
No, it was after that.
He's got the tattoo. He's a brother. No, the Elio world, and that's equal corruption. Different approach doesn't seem right. Keep behind.
You tell me when you give up.
All I know, when I helped Lee a couple years ago, we were.
That's what I was thinking. We were cutting soybeans together.
Something's coming up, I'll take care of it.
You got it. No, I have not been outside of the cab.
She's pretty bloody hot, like Jordan hot.
Just think how hot Jordan must be then.
Jordan's 200 miles away.
we started this field, we didn't think there was any way we could get it finished, but it looks like we are going to get it done. It's about 20 minutes till 9. Sun's going down. It's so pretty right now. It's too bad Katie couldn't have flew her drone over this field because it's beautiful. Hey Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.